Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we celebrate skin that feels as amazing as it looks. Today, we're checking out something that's all about keeping your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Native's Body Lotion in coconut and vanilla. If you're craving a bit of tropical bliss in your daily routine without hopping on a plane, this might just be your new go-to. So, what exactly is this? It's a rich, creamy body lotion that promises long-lasting hydration using naturally derived plant-based moisturizers. The scent? Think warm coconut, juicy pineapple, bright citrus, and a hint of vanilla, like a mini vacation in a bottle. It's dermatologist tested and designed for all skin types, which makes it sound pretty versatile. I've been using this lotion for a few weeks now, applying it mostly after showering and sometimes before bed. Right off the bat, the texture is silky but not too thick, so it blends smoothly without leaving that sticky or greasy feeling. It absorbs fairly quickly, which is a must for me because I'm always on the move. The scent is delightful, not overpowering, but definitely noticeable, and it lingers softly without clashing with my perfume. In terms of hydration, this lotion does a solid job. My skin, especially on the elbows and knees where it tends to get drier, feels noticeably softer and more nourished. It's not a miracle worker for extremely dry skin conditions, but for everyday dryness, it holds up well. I also appreciate that it's made with plant-based ingredients. That aligns with the growing demand for cleaner, more natural skincare options. For those with sensitive skin, having it dermatologist tested is reassuring, and I didn't experience any irritation or redness, which speaks to its gentle formulation. Now, a quick moment here. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so more beauty lovers can discover honest insights like this. Your support means the world and helps me keep bringing real reviews your way. Back to the lotion. The packaging is practical. A squeezable 16.5 phthalates bottle that's easy to use without wasting product. It feels sturdy enough to toss in a gym bag or keep on your bathroom counter without fear of leaks. In terms of pricing, it sits in the mid-range category. Considering the plant-based formula, the pleasant scent, and decent hydration, I think it offers fair value. If you're looking for something ultra-luxurious or with more intensive repair ingredients like ceramides or peptides, you might want to explore options a bit higher up in price. But for daily, all-over moisturization with a fresh, natural scent, this does the job nicely. When I compare it to other body lotions in this category, like some drugstore staples or natural brands, Native holds its own with a more sophisticated fragrance and clean ingredient focus. It's not the cheapest, but it's not extravagant either, right in that sweet spot where quality meets affordability for many consumers. To wrap up, Native's Coconut and Vanilla Body Lotion is a great pick for anyone wanting a smooth, plant-based moisturizer with a summery scent that makes hydration feel like a treat. It's well-suited for normal to dry skin, gentle enough for sensitive skin, and convenient enough for daily use. If you're someone who values natural ingredients but doesn't want to compromise on texture or fragrance, this is worth a look. If you've already tried this lotion or something similar, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here at Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. Until next time, keep glowing and stay beautiful inside and out.